If your pergola wood surface is splintering, you gotta act fast to keep it from turning into a total mess. So, first off, grab some medium grit sandpaper and smooth out those rough spots where the wood is splintering. You don't want anyone getting hurt or snagging their clothes, you know. After sanding, wipe down the area with a damp cloth to get rid of the dust. Next, it's super important to apply a protective sealant made for outdoor wood. This helps keep moisture out and stops more splinters from forming. Make sure you pick a sealant that's weather resistant because pergolas face sun, rain, and wind all the time. You might need to apply 2 coats for solid protection, letting the first one dry completely before the second. And don't forget to check your pergola every few months to catch any new splintering early. If you keep up with this simple routine, your pergola will stay smooth and safe for way longer. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pergola wood surface splintering is ignoring the problem until it gets bad, which makes repairs way more expensive and time-consuming. Another common issue is skipping the sanding step and just slapping on sealant, but if the surface is still rough, that sealant won't stick properly and won't help much. Lastly, many folks pick the wrong kind of sealant that isn't designed for outdoor use, so it wears off quickly and leaves the wood vulnerable again. To fix these, always sand first before sealing, choose a high-quality outdoor wood sealant, and don't wait to treat splinters as soon as you spot them. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know how to handle pergola repairs without any hassle. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable work, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.